Alright guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Roblox authentication field, the error code 429. Okay, so if you see something like error code 429 or authentication field, just watch this video step by step. Let me show you how to fix it on Roblox. Okay, so if you see these kinds of things, there are three things that are involved, right? One is largely because there's repetition of login. Usually when you've logged in multiple times, you usually get that kind of error code. All right. Secondly, if you're using a VPN, right, if Roblox detects a VPN that you're using, they will also give you that kind of error code. Okay, right? And lastly, if you are trying to log in multiple times, right, so you're trying to log in multiple times, like let's say switch accounts, from one account to another multiple times, right, you usually see these kinds of error code. So if that's you and you've experienced it, let me show you exactly what to do about it. So first things first, you want to make sure that you're not using any VPN. Okay, so if you have any external VPN, right, and let me go over to Play Store right here. If you have any external VPNs like ExpressVPN, CyberGhost VPN, all these kinds of VPNs right here, right, all these CyberGhost VPN, NordVPN, ExpressVPN, and all of that. So you want to make sure that you you want to make sure that you have them turned off if they are on, right, if you're using a VPN, because if Roblox detects your VPN, it's going to be a problem. So that's one thing you can actually do. Another thing is to make sure that your internal VPNs are turned off. So those ones are external VPNs. You can also check for internal ones. So how do you do that? You come over to your settings, go to search, then you want to check for what we call private. Okay, go to private DNS, and once you check your private DNS, right, so it's loading as you can see. So I'll click on this private DNS right here, and once I click on it, it will direct me to where the private DNS. So you want to make sure that yours is set to turned off or automatic. These are the two you should make sure that it's turned on, right? So you want to make sure that it's either one of these that is active, right, turned off, or automatic. Then you click on save. Okay, so that's one thing to do to cross check, right? So if you've done all these ones, right, and you try your if you've done all these ones and then you try the Roblox again, still give you the authentication code error, there are other things you can do. All right, so just follow me step by step. So another thing you can do is that you can go over to, still on the same settings, right, you want to go over to where your apps are located, right, go over to where your apps are located. So for me, it's under app management, so I'll go over to app management, and under app management I'm going to go over to app list right here. Okay, so yeah, under app list right here, what I'm going to do right now is that I'm just going to come here, and then I'm just going to come over to look for Roblox right here. Okay, so I'll look for Roblox right here, click on it, and then I'll come over to where it says storage and cache. Once I come over to where it says storage and cache, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come over to where it says clear cache. Okay, I'm going to come over to where it says clear cache. So for those of you who are using iOS, right, which is like an iPhone, you look for where it says offload app. So you click on the offload app, and it will do exactly the same thing. So what it does is that it actually clears any error and any malfunctioning in your Roblox. So you can come over to your Play Store again, which is another thing you can do, right, and then you want to update your Roblox. So I'll go to Roblox right here, and then you want to click on where it says update. So if you click on it, you'll see where it says update. If it says open, it means that you're using the latest, but you want to click on updates. That way it will clear every bug that is affecting the Roblox app. So these are basically the ways that you can actually do to clear the error code that you're seeing, right, the authentication field and all of that. So basically this is actually how I do it. So follow these steps by step, and by the time you're done with the last step, you will notice that once you try logging into Roblox again, right, you will notice that it will work. And if at all it doesn't work, you always have the option of uninstalling it, and then you want to install it back. So you can just go over to your Play Store again. All right, then you see uninstall, just click on uninstall. Then once it's done uninstalling, you just uninstall it back, or better still, you want to restart your phone before you install it back. So yeah, you want to restart your phone. Okay, so you want to actually restart your phone like this. Hold the power button and hold it, and then you see where it says power off or restart it. And once you've it has come back on, then you now install the Roblox again. So yeah, once you do that, everything should work perfectly, right? So do well to like this video if you got any value, and also subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. And we make videos like this to help you out, so do well to just subscribe. It helps us out. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.